Click icon on top left corner. Click menu and then click choice. Click add new choice button. Fill in choice name. Fill in choice value. Fill in choice price, or you can leave it empty. Tick show this choice to public, and also tick available. Click save button. As you can see, your choice has been successfully added. Go to items page. Choose any item, and then click on the item image. Scroll to the bottom. Select choice setting, and then click plus button. Choice for your item successfully has been set up.